To turn on eye comfort light on the Realme C71, first of all you will have to go for the settings. From here you have to go for the display and brightness, and from here scroll down and you will be able to find this night light. This basically is like different naming because of the branding or anything or something like this, but this is basically the blue light filter or whatever you call it. So here you have this switch to turn it on and off, and additionally you will be able to probably turn it on and off in these quick settings right here. Yeah, right here we have the switch for the night light, so you can toggle it with this switch right here, but you don't actually have to do it manually because you can set up the schedule so it will turn on automatically as you press the switch for the schedule. Here you can set it to toggle between the sunset and the sunrise, or you can set your custom schedule if you'd like to. As you can see, you can set this time manually, but let's set this one to the set sunset and sunrise, and here you can also let's turn it on, and now you can change the screen color temperature with this slider right here. It doesn't change really much right here, but yeah, you can change the color temperature of this night light. And yeah, that's basically all. That's how you can do this.